Namaskar, India Meteorological Department welcomes you in Delhi weather briefing. Highlights of today's Delhi weather briefing are that the dense to very dense fog conditions prevailing over plains of North India, cold day to severe cold day conditions and cold wave to severe cold wave conditions are likely to continue during next 5 days. Although if we talk about cold day to severe cold day condition, then these conditions are likely to reduce from 18th of January, but cold wave to severe cold wave condition and dense to very dense fog conditions are likely to continue during next 5 days. Although there would be slight improvement in the dense to very dense fog conditions, but that would be for a very brief period. So if we look into the observed weather conditions, so as we can see that the dense fog cover over North India is extending right from Punjab and going up to East India, and even to some parts of Northeast India as well. But the fog duration, dense fog duration, as we saw yesterday, that it had the fog duration had decreased as compared to day before yesterday, that is as compared to 14th of January. So it decreased on 15th of January, and on 16th of January again it has slightly decreased as compared to 15th of January. So the cold day to severe cold day conditions observed over many parts of Punjab and Haryana, and also over Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan, and also cold wave to severe cold wave conditions have been observed over Punjab and Haryana at some parts, and also over adjoining parts of West UP and Rajasthan. And if we look into the lowest minimum temperatures over plains of northwest India, so Hisar has reported 1.1 degree centigrade temperature, and here we can see that the minimum temperatures are running in the range of 2 to 6 degrees centigrade over Punjab and Haryana and adjoining parts of North Rajasthan and West UP, and the departures of these minimum temperatures are in the range of -1.6 to 3 degree centigrade from the long period average. Delhi reported 3.5 degrees centigrade today, and Hisar reported 1.1 degree centigrade, and also Chandigarh reported 2.7 degrees centigrade of minimum temperature. So similarly, maximum temperatures which is causing more trouble is this departure is causing the cold day to severe cold day conditions, and we call it cold day condition when the maximum temperatures are below normal from the long period average by 4.5 degree centigrade. And when they are below normal by 6.5 degrees centigrade, they are called the maximum temperatures are said to be causing severe cold day conditions. So here we can see that over Punjab, Haryana and UP, Bihar and even Gangetic West Bengal, the temperatures are running from 3 to 5 degrees centigrade below normal, the maximum temperatures, and even at some parts these are running even less than 5 degrees centigrade below normal. So next 5 days, as we saw in the highlights, that we are not expecting any significant reduction in these conditions, although the dense fog conditions have dense fog situation have reduced in terms of duration over northwest India, but very dense fog is still being realized, and this would continue to being realized over Punjab and Haryana during next 2 days, and that's why Punjab and Haryana is in red color, and thereafter it is in orange color including Delhi, and thereafter the orange color would continue. And as far as cold wave conditions are concerned, so the minimum temperatures although are likely to rise by about 2 degrees centigrade over northwest India, as we saw yesterday, that due to setting in of lower level easterlies from the Bay of Bengal, the minimum temperatures are likely to rise slightly by 2 degrees centigrade over Punjab and Haryana, and by 3 to 4 degrees centigrade over East UP and Bihar by tomorrow. But this is unlikely to bring any significant respite from the prevailing cold wave conditions. So cold wave to severe cold wave conditions would continue to be realized over Punjab, Haryana and even UP during next 5 days, but the intensity would of course decrease from 18th of January. And similarly, the cold day conditions over Punjab and Haryana would continue today as well as tomorrow, and thereafter at many places, and thereafter we are expecting a slight decrease in cold day conditions on 18th of January, and thereafter we are expecting no cold day conditions over Punjab and Haryana. And over UP we are expecting cold day to severe cold day conditions at some places today and at isolated places tomorrow, and thereafter no cold day conditions are likely. And we are also expecting light to moderate rainfall at some to many places of Gangetic West Bengal, adjoining Jharkhand and over Odisha during 17th to 19th of January, due to incursion of moisture from Bay of Bengal due to establishment of an anticyclonic circulation over North Bay of Bengal. And also we are expecting isolated very light rainfall and snowfall over the western Himalayan region on today as well as tomorrow. So that's all for today. Tomorrow we'll again meet with Delhi weather briefing for weather warning during next 5 days. Thank you and goodbye.